quickly will my home sell? That's a question we get asked all the time from sellers, and we get it. The market climate is going to determine how quickly your home is going to sell. Over the past 35 years, helping clients realize their real estate dreams here in the foothills of La Cañada, La Crescenta, Montrose, Sunland-Tujunga, and Shadow Hills, we get asked that question all the time.
Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. In a hot market like ours, where there's limited inventory, meaning there are more buyers than homes to purchase, then you can sell your home in a day. However, when someone tells us they sold their home in one day, we just shake our heads because we know that means they likely left money on the table. Let's discuss some of the tools we use to determine the ideal marketing time to sell your home to get the very best price and terms. First, we use the absorption rate to help calculate pricing and time.
So, what is the absorption rate and why is it so important? In effect, the absorption rate is a thermometer of each local real estate market, showing how hot or cold the market is. It is a vital tool used to determine the pricing and the timing. It's calculated by dividing the average number of sales per month by the total number of homes available for sale, and is commonly used in real estate to evaluate how fast homes will sell in a specific market during a given time.
According to Investopedia, and I'll quote, a seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals less than 3 months of inventory, while a buyer's market would have an absorption rate of 6 months or greater. Currently, we're seeing homes sell in less than 30 to 60 days here, which means we're in a very strong seller's market. And since we're in a strong seller's market, a home that takes longer than 90 days to sell, then it's either overpriced or we're slipping into a buyer's market.
Now that we understand the absorption rate, we can move to the second step of pricing. We will examine how long your best comps have been on the market and how long they took to sell and how that affects your pricing and timing. That's another whole subject with its own video. If you're ready to take the next step, give us a call. We are here to help you find the best strategy when it comes to selling your property. We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers. We love guiding you home. We'll see you in the next video.